Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of zucchini, a humble veggie with some seriously impressive health benefits. First off, let's talk vitamins. Zucchinis are packed with vitamin C, which is fantastic for keeping your immune system in tip-top shape. Feeling run down? Add some zucchini to your diet. Next up, vitamin K. This vitamin is crucial for blood clotting and bone health, so munching on zucchini can actually help you build strong bones. Who knew, right? And don't forget fiber. Zucchinis are rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. It helps keep things moving along smoothly, and can even aid in weight management. But that's not all. Zucchinis are also loaded with antioxidants. These little warriors help fight off free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases like cancer. By adding zucchini to your meals, you're giving your body a natural defense boost. So, how can you incorporate more zucchini into your diet? It's super versatile. You can grill it, roast it, spiralize it into noodles, or even bake it into muffins. The possibilities are endless. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With zucchini, you're not only adding flavor to your dishes, but also packing in some serious nutrition. So go ahead, give this amazing veggie a try, and let your body reap the benefits. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about the amazing health benefits of zucchini. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Catch you later.